Agents have been quoted as saying that ongoing supply, even in neighbouring suburbs, has put a dent in prices. And I've
Mm.
seen that actually. And if this continues, there'll be potentially no capital growth to be expected in the next 5 years. So, don't be rushing off to buy an apartment in Botany or Ryde or North Ryde, I should say, those sort of places. And the answer really is uniqueness and a finite supply. And funnily enough, Newtown, which is actually where I live, is on the list. It's number 17. But there have been massive prices paid for units, though, in this same suburb. So whilst it's on the list as prices, the median price of units apparently is less than it was 5 years ago. I find that interesting because this is where data can be very misleading
Mm.
because honestly, particularly last year, some of the prices paid for units in this area with scarcity factor were absolutely eye-watering.
Mm. And that's the thing, isn't it? It's that granularity that we always harp on about. So whilst that statistic looks bad for the suburb and property type of units, as you say, if you dig into that scarcity factor, which might be views that can't be built out, it might be size of the unit itself, certainly three,
Mm.
four bedroom is they're in high demand for downsizes. Facilities within the complex, body corporate levies, all those sorts of things can come into to play when we're talking about the uniqueness of a unit. And yes, they can, Art Deco style, the older
Mm.
styles that may have been in really unique buildings that aren't going to be replicated because there's no money to be made in those for developers.
Or a
So
converted warehouse,
yeah, all of those things they're not going to be remade. They can't be mass reproduced. But a two bedroom, two bathroom, or a one bed, one bath are easy to reproduce.